Yeah. Who's pumped? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to like this content right here. Also, click on the bell. Be a part of the notification. Shout out to Asia. I know you guys are holding back on this popular dish from KFC. It's called CHIZZA. I just found out about it, guys. Why didn't you guys tell me? To the people that don't know what CHIZZA is KFC fried chicken infused with pizza. Let me show you how to make it. So I got 3 chicken breasts right here, guys. I can't believe you guys have not even told me about this. Or maybe it just came out, I'm not even sure. But all you do is take your chicken breast, you're gonna half it. Once you got that nice and half, I got saran wrap here, which I'm just gonna place down. Take another piece of saran wrap, I'm gonna cover this. Take your mallet, we gotta beat our meat. Make sure you beat it out real well, guys. Just because we want this evenly cooked, and it's gonna help tenderize it. Once you got your meat nice and beat it out, all I'm gonna do is place this into my bowl here. Time to marinate. Half a cup of water going in, 2 tablespoons of seasoning salt. Last but not least, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix this up, throw it in the fridge for the time being. First batch of our chicken will be just plain flour. Next will be our wet batter, so 2 eggs. I'm gonna do this. I don't know why I did that. 1 can of club soda. 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt. Beat that in. Next, our seasoning flour. So 2 cups of flour going in. 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of poultry seasoning. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon of dry thyme. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Last but not least, half a tablespoon of salt. Whisk that all in, set to the side. Next, our tomato sauce for our pizza. So 1 tablespoon olive oil going in. 1 tablespoon of garlic as well. Once nice and sauteed. 1 can of tomato, and I got 1 tablespoon of tomato paste going in. Lastly, a pinch of basil and oregano, some salt, pepper, and we're just gonna adjust the seasoning in the end. Just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, guys, on a low heat. 30 minutes up, just gonna throw it to another bowl. For our toppings, guys, we got our honey ham, we got our jalapenos, we got our pineapple, we got our sauce, and we got our cheese. Shout out to Brian for introducing me to this sweet combo here. Let's make our chicken crust. So I have some vegetable oil here. I'm just gonna heat this up for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of heating up, I'm gonna drop this down to a 4. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take your marinated chicken. You're gonna dunk it into your plain flour. Shake off any excess. I'm gonna dunk it into our wet batter or egg batter. Shake off any excess. And then, guys, our seasoning flour. Once you got it nice and coated, I wanna shake off any excess. Nothing to it now. Everybody in the pool. I don't care if you can swim. Just get in. Cooking time, 5 to 8 minutes, guys. Ow! Just gonna pop it out. Like I said before, guys, you can hate, scream, whine, cry, all you want. But when it comes down to fried chicken, you better respect my fried chicken game. My fried chicken game, guys, is nothing to play with. And I'm serious. If you have a big mouth and you like to hate QT and the gang, but when it comes down to fried chicken, you better respect my fried chicken game. To cook the next batch, you need one of these. It's just a little strainer here. You want to strain up all the bits and pieces. If you don't strain all the bits and pieces, it's gonna burn, guys, second time around. So make sure you clean up all the bits and pieces in here. Chicken complete. All we're gonna do now is throw our pizza on there. So we got our sauce. Got the oven broiling right now on a high. We're gonna lay down our ham, honey ham, or any kind of ham. I prefer honey ham. Let's do jalapenos. Ow! Ow! Got a little cut there. Delicious pineapple. I see some people gagging right now. I don't know why. Pineapple on a pizza is delicious. We got our cheese. Set time, guys. Just watch it. When it melts, it's done. Once you got the cheese nice and melted, nothing to it. Just pull it out. That's beautiful. CHIZZA. You guys have to try this. I can't believe nobody in Asia told me about this. I'm a little hurt by it. Lastly, just try and make this a little more gourmet. Got some fresh parsley on there. You put green on anything, it'll make it more gourmet, I promise you. CHIZZA, or fried chicken and pizza collaboration. So, let's do this. I don't know where to cut. I want it all. Ugh. Alright, let's cut right down the middle here. Look at that. Beautiful cooked chicken with the ham. It kind of reminds me of, what's that, cordon bleu? Yeah, cordon bleu, but pizza form. Alright, here it is. First bite, CHIZZA. Wait, that's not even a good looking bite, guys. Here. There it is. First bite of CHIZZA. Quick tab. Nice guy. Nice. I'll palm. Mmm. Is it better than a pizza? Yes. Mmm. If you're on a low carb diet, this right here. Mmm. The thing is, I don't know why people don't like pineapple on it. I think some people haven't tried it yet, but say it's dirty or nasty. If you guys have not tried pineapple on pizza before, I want you guys to go out and order a Hawaiian and give it a try. I'm kind of saddened by this. Maybe someone did reach out to me, but I didn't see the message. But I don't know why, I just found this out just now, just because I seen it on Instagram. Mmm. You gotta have a bite of that pineapple, or pretty much everything, to make it legit. Oh, guys, another bite of this. Quick time. Nice cut. Nice. Mm-hmm. Asians will bring up or make the most randomest things just to get people in. Guys, look at that. I heard down in China, I think, they made pizza with durian. Mmm. I gotta give that a try. Durian pizza. I think the only thing that's really missing in this is more pineapple. I like to have more pineapple in this. Chicken's well seasoned, juicy. I just want more pineapple in this. You know what's cool about cooking at home? I'm gonna throw more pineapple on this with no extra charge. The extra charge is just ridiculous, guys. $1 more for pineapple, come on. That's one beautiful thing right there. Here's the question now. This goes out directly to Asia worldwide. What else is on your KFC, McDonald's, or whatever menu? I'd like to know that, guys, because you guys have the most creative, I want to say creative menu around. More pineapple. I think it was Chef Ramsay who created all this pineapple fuss. I'm here to bring it back, guys. Pineapple on pizza is delicious. That's bombs. Last bite, just because I feel like my face is about to break out again. All right. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up on your palm shirts. Like to share this. Peace out.